you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have the brand new mystery box from KVD Beauty. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so KVD Beauty just came out with a new mystery box, and in the description it did say that there will be different items than the last box. So I was really excited because they're not going to be repeating items, supposedly, based on the description. So I'm really excited to see what is in here. I did just now check before I started recording, and they do still have this available. It does say limited quantities now because this time you actually have a foundation. You're going to choose which foundation color you want for this box. So I'm assuming when it's limited quantities, there's some shades that are probably already sold out. So if you do want to check this out, I will link it down below. You can definitely check it out. As of right now, it's still available. This box is $65 for the mystery box, and it's supposed to be a $189 value. Okay, so let's go ahead and dive in. I've already cut the tape, but I haven't looked inside here yet. So here's the box, KVD Vegan Beauty, and it does have the KVD sticker right here, and it is stuck on there. So let's see. There's this little glimpse into the box right there. So let's see what's all in here. Again, it's supposed to be a $189 value. So here is the liquid foundation. Since I did already tell you that there's a liquid foundation in here, let's go with this one first. Now, I couldn't choose because I do not wear liquid foundation. So it was really hard for me to figure out what color I would use. So I went to their main page and I looked at their foundation. They have a little thing for you to kind of like choose which skin tone you look like to kind of help you out with the color. So that's what I did. And what I'm picking is I picked light 008. I don't know. Again, I don't use it, so I'm not sure. But here's the actual packaging, and that is the color right there. Ooh, very pretty packaging. Look at that. It has like this little design even on it just to give it a little extra curb appeal. That is really, really pretty. And I do like that this is see-through, so you can kind of see in there when you're getting low on foundation. Oh, and that you can actually squeeze. You can actually squeeze that. It's like a little thin plastic bottle on the inside of that. So then when we remove it, oh, okay. So that's the top. And yeah, I don't know if this is going to be my color. I'll have to eventually step out of my comfort zone and try a liquid foundation for once. But I mean, I would think maybe, well, I don't know, maybe that's a little too light. I don't know, maybe it'll work once I blend it all into my face. But again, it's really hard to choose online, but I chose something because everyone does come with a foundation this time. So that is really neat. There's item number one. So what came along with that is a brush. So this is probably the face brush to apply that with. This is the Edge Foundation Brush. Yes. So it's a Lock-It Foundation Brush. So there's the packaging. It says 10, number 10 Edge Foundation Brush. So it has a 10 on the back, and then the front has the logo, and it's like a tapered brush. Very, very soft. So I could, ooh, that is probably going to apply on there very well. Ooh, I'm excited about the brush actually. So I'm gonna try this out one day and I'm gonna use them together. Everything else for the mystery bag is down inside of this bag. So there is a makeup bag this time. The last few times there was a bag in them as well. So this one is clear and it has the KVD in gold. I'm not a huge gold fan and I have so many of these bags. So I'm gonna go ahead and just set this aside for one of you guys for a future giveaway. But that is really cute. I do like all the stars on there, and I do like that it's see-through, and then there is the zipper pull charm. But again, I'm just not a gold fan, so I'll stick it right back in the bag. Now we have is a Everlasting blush, and this looks like it's in the color Rosebud. And there's the packaging. This is really cute packaging. It's like a flower. Rosebud's a color, but that is adorable packaging, like super, super cute packaging. And ooh, this looks like more of like a mauve color. That is really pretty. Let's swatch it. So it's very, very pretty. Ooh, very creamy too. So that's a really pretty color. I normally don't do much with blush, but I'm actually excited to get this. Plus the packaging is just simply adorable. And again, that's in the color of Rosebud. So cute, you guys. Okay, so now we have is Go Big or Go Home Volumizing Mascara. I do have a full one of these open currently, so I'm not going to open this. But this is in Trooper Black Volumizing Mascara. I do like this mascara, but again, I already have one open, so I don't want to open this one just yet. But I do enjoy this mascara, so I'm glad that was in here. Now we have, it says Liquid Lipstick and Everlasting Liquid Lipstick in Bruno. And this packaging is all purple, so I don't know if the inside is going to be purple. Let's look. Ooh, oh my gosh, that is very pretty packaging. This is like with their Everlasting. I have, my favorite one is the Lolita, I believe it's called. But this definitely looks purple, and it looks almost like a metallic purple. Whoa, that is purple, you guys. So it's like almost like a purplish blue, almost like a midnight blue, but it looks like it's a little purple. So we have a bright purplish blue color. Now we have, this says XO Vinyl Lip Cream, and this is in the color Lolita. I don't have a lip cream, but I have the liquid lip. So I'm really excited to get another one with Lolita because that's my favorite. That's like my favorite out of all my lipsticks to grab. Ooh. I don't have it in this style. There's my Lolita. Right there. I love this color. This one seriously is my favorite color. It will not look good with this blue eyeshadow that I decided to do today, but I love that color and I'm really, really excited to have that. So now we have is an ink liner, waterproof liquid liner, and this is Trooper Black. Here's the packaging. It does say Kat Von D ink liner right on it. I know I keep wanting to say Kat Von D and I get corrected. It's not Kat Von D anymore because she sold it. I get that, but it still has her name on the packaging and she is the one that started it. So that's what's still in my head. I'm so sorry about that. And then the last item, you guys, is right here. This is the Liquid Lipstick Everlasting Glimmer Veil. And this is in the color Razzle. That looks like another purplish color. Let's see. Ooh, that is pretty packaging. Look at that. So that's probably the color in there. Ooh, yes. Oh, wow. This is like a, whoa, this is like a magenta pink color. It's right there. I feel this was definitely worth the $65 that I paid because even though I don't really use it, I'm definitely excited to try it and with the brush, so I'm excited about that. This I'm really, really excited about, and I'm really excited about this. So, and then I can have an extra or I can save this for one of you guys, either way. And then I have two purple lips as well. And then the liner will go to one of you guys. So that is everything that came in the mystery box for this time. There was also allowed to add 2 items to add to it. So I added in this red liquid lip. It's like a mini liquid lip. So I added that. And then I added this bag because I'm going to put it in a future giveaway for one of you guys. But this one here, that is what the bag looks like. It says vegan. It says Kat Von D, cruelty free. This is a really good size bag. And then when you open it up, it does say vegan right there. It's covered. And then it's all black on the inside. So that is a really good size. I mean, especially compared to the one that came in the mystery bag. And this was free that I was able to add. It was one of the items that you can add to it. So I'm gonna put this back down in here. So that's what I added as my free gifts as well. So you guys comment down below, let me know, what did you think of this? Again, it is still available as of right now anyways, as of right this second. I don't know about 5 minutes from now, but as of right now, it is still available, you guys. Definitely comment down below, let me know, what did you think of all the items in here? Did you see the other, because I think I've done 2 other, I think this might be my 3rd mystery box. Yes. It's my 3rd or 4th mystery box from this company, and I'm really excited, and I'm really pleased because I'm not really getting repeated items. So I'm able to try out so many different items from KVD. That's amazing. So again, comment down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.